Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Room.
Hi, friends. It's great to see you again. I'm Ben, and this is Alex.
Today, we have a very special and useful lesson for you. Something you'll hear in many conversations and job interviews.
Yes, today's topic is Tell me about yourself.
This question sounds simple, but many people find it difficult.
That's true. Some people say too much, and some say too little.
So in this lesson, we'll help you give a clear, short, and confident answer.
We'll teach you an easy three-step method and help you practice together.
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to English Room and click the bell icon so you never miss our new videos.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, let's begin. The question is, tell me about yourself.
We hear this question in many places. Interviews, new classes, or when we meet new friends.
Exactly. But don't worry, you can give a great answer by using 3 simple steps.
Here they are. Basic information, who you are, and where you're from. Background, what you do. Personal detail, something interesting about you.
Let's learn each step, one by one.
The first step is to say your name and where you're from.
For example, my name is Anna. I'm from Italy.
Or, I'm Ahmed. I come from Egypt.
You can also say, I'm from Pakistan. My name is Ali.
Very good. It's simple and clear.
Now, your turn. Say your name and where you're from.
Ready? Go!
Nice work. That's your first step.
Next, talk about what you do. Your job, studies, or work.
You can say, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in a bank.
Or maybe, I'm learning English. I'm looking for a job.
Perfect. Let's put step 1 and step 2 together.
Example. My name is Anna. I'm from Italy. I'm a teacher.
Or, I'm Ahmed. I come from Egypt. I'm a student.
See? Easy and natural.
Now, let's make your answer more interesting.
You can add 1 or 2 short sentences about your hobbies or goals.
For example, in my free time, I like playing football. I love reading and listening to music. My dream is to travel the world.
That's great. This makes your answer friendly and personal.
Now, let's put all 3 steps together.
My name is Daniel. I'm from Brazil. I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I like playing football and reading books.
Excellent. It's short, clear, and natural. I'm Aisha. I'm from India. I'm a student at university. I love dancing and watching movies.
Very nice. You can use this in a friendly conversation or an English class. If you're in a job interview, make it a little more formal.
Like this, my name is Tom. I'm from Canada. I have 3 years of experience in marketing. I'm passionate about helping people find creative ideas.
That sounds professional and confident.
Tip number 1. Don't talk too long. 1 minute is perfect.
Tip number 2, smile and speak slowly. That shows confidence.
Tip number 3. Practice every day. The more you practice, the more natural you sound.
That's right. Practice makes progress.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice with us.
We'll say each part, and you repeat after us. Ready?
My name is...
I'm from...
I work as a... or I'm a student.
In my free time, I like...
Good job. Now, let's say a full example together. Repeat after me. My name is Daniel. I'm from Brazil. I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I like playing football and reading books.
Well done. Let's try one more. Repeat after me. I'm Aisha. I'm from India. I'm a university student. I love dancing and watching movies.
Fantastic. You're doing great.
You're becoming more confident already.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to answer the question, tell me about yourself.
We used 3 steps. Basic information, name, and where you're from. Background, job or studies. Personal detail, hobbies or goals.
Let's do one more quick example.
My name is Sarah. I'm from the UK. I'm a student. I love painting and listening to music.
Perfect. That's exactly how your answer should sound.
Now it's your turn.
In the comments below, write your answer to the question. Tell me about yourself.
Use 2 or 3 sentences and follow our 3-step method.
We'll read your answers and maybe show some in our next video.
You did an amazing job today.
Yes, you learned how to introduce yourself with confidence and easy English.
Remember, practice this many times. You can practice in front of a mirror or with a friend.
Every time you speak, you get better and more confident.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to click the bell icon to get all our new lessons.
Thank you so much for learning with English Room.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.